Hello everyone, today we are going to start exercise 14.4. In that you have to find the mean, median and mode. The previous method we have done with the number of the observation when we have given in odd numbers, but here we have given in even numbers. Only difference is that mean and mode are the same things. That mean is the sum of observation divided by the number of observation. So in the first question you have given some data, you will add all the numbers and divide it by 10, you will get 2.8. It is quite easy, you can do it by yourself also. The main thing is median. We just arrange the all numbers in the ascending or descending order. I have written in ascending order. So how many are they? There are 10 numbers. So n is an even number here, means and 10 is even number here. So how can we find the median from here? At first we will find the n by 2th term, then plus n by 2 plus 1th term, means next term of n by 2th term, and the sum of these two, and it will divide by 2, means mean of n by 2th and the next term. So n is 10 here, so you will write 10 by 2, 10 by 2th term and 10 by 2 plus 1th term, and divide it by 2. So this is 5th and 6th observation. You can see the 5th and 6th observation both are 3. So 5th is 3, 6th is also 3, divided by 2, you will get 6 by 2, that is 3, right? So this is only the difference from the previous year. And the mode is the most frequently occurred number, that is, you see 3 comes 4 times, so 3 is the mode, right? Now come to question number 2. This is also the mean. You can find the mean by very easy method, that sum of observation divided by number of observation. You can see all the numbers when added we get 822, and divided by 15 you will get 54.8, right? So it's quite easy, so I'm not explaining more. Come to median part. Here we see the median is odd number. In the previous classes, you know that how we find the median with the odd number, that we just find n plus 1 by 2th observation, that is the median. N is 15 here, make it even. 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 by 2 is 8th observation. So what is the 8th observation in this data is 52. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is 52, right? So this is the previous method that you have done in the 8th class and 7th class also. And mode is, you know, that a frequently occurred number, that is 52 comes 3 times, so 52 is the mode. Now come to third question. You have given some data and n is 10. Again we have given here is 63 is median and 2 variable terms are there, right? So method is same. We will apply the method for median and equate it to the 63. So let us do. We know that we know that the median, when we have given n is a even number, that is n by 2 and the next terms mean, right? So n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1, this plus 1 is with n by 2, right? At first you will find n by 2, then you will find plus 1, right? This is n by 2 is 5th term, and then this is 6th term. So you can find 2 5 the 5th term, and this is 5 and 1 6th term. So you see 5th and 6th term are x is the 5th term and x plus 2 is the 6th term, because we have already given the data in the ascending order. It is given in the question. So this is 5th and this is 6th observation. So write 5th and 6th observation divided by 2. You see x plus x is 2x plus 2. You can take 2 as the common, but you get x plus 1 inside the bracket, and 2 will cut by 2. So x plus 1, what is the median we have given is 63, and what median we have find from the data is x plus 1. So we will equate these two and take it to the right hand side. 1 will be taken to the right hand side, and 63 minus 1 is 62, right? So this is the value of x that we have to find. Now come to question number 4. Some data is given, we just find the mode, and you know that 14 occurs 4 times, so mode is 14. You can see this question in your NCERT book, and you can do it easily, so I am not explaining it more. Now come to next question. This is the main question of the exercise. This is new method for you. Here we have given a table, that we have given salaries, let it be xi, and these salaries we have given, this is number of, when we have given number of, this is the frequency, right? So I am writing fi means items in the frequency. I means I are 1 2 3 4 5 any number. If f1 we put, it is 16, f2 is 12, f3 is 10. So it is not the thing that we have to understand, just we have given this frequency, let it be total, that is, this is the sign sigma, students. This is new for you. This is the sign sigma, and it is used for the sum, right? it जिसके सामने ये लगा होता है, it means we have done the addition. So add these numbers, you will get 60. We have added fi's. Now come to fi xi's. This means fi multiplied to xi. So this 16 multiplied by this 3000, then 12 multiplied by 4000, 10 multiplied by 5000, then 8 to 6000, 6 to 7000, and after multiplication we get this, right? After multiplication we get this table, and then we do the sigma. Sigma means summation of fi xi. So after this summation we add all these quantities and we get 30 lakh 5000, right? Now the formula for this x bar is also the method of writing mean or average. Average, mean, x bar, all are the same things, and the formula is summize of fi xi and divide by fi. Fi is the n, right? So it can be written as n, capital N also. Somewhere it is written capital N, but it is sum of fi xi product and division of fi. So this is 30 lakh 5000, and this is fi we have 60. If you cut 0 by 0 and if you divide, you will get 5083.33, right? This is the solution. So I hope you understand this question, and watch 2-3 times of this solution, and then you will understand. This is the main core question of this exercise. In the sixth question, you have to take your own examples. In the first part we have given what are the marks of means what is the general life example for the mean. So I'm taking mean marks obtained in the examination, or the mean score made by a batsman, or your mean marks in the maths examination or test, class test, right? Any example you can write here. Now runs scored by Dhoni. Here is also we are needed to find the mean of any data. So I'm taking the runs scored by Dhoni in 7 matches. So these are the runs, and mean will be the sum of the numbers divided by the number. So if you add these, you will get 470, and divide it by 7, you will get 67.1. Means we have to take the data by our own, and we have to find the mean of our data, right? So we have not given here data we have to choose and then find the solution. Here I'm taking another numbers, right? Any numbers you can choose here. For example, I'm taking this in ascending order, and then now n is 7, you can take 6 also, and then the method will change. You know that for the 6 is the even number, 7 is the odd number. So I'm taking odd number here. You know that 7 is odd, make it even by adding 1. So you will get 7 plus 1, 8 by 2th term, that is 4th term in the observation, that is 1 2 3 4, it is 56. So that's all for today. You can take here 8 numbers also, then you can check out your answer. So this is the example that you can take by your own also. You can use your own numbers also, right? So that's all for now. Till then, bye.